welcome back to my channel Auto Elite. Today I invite you to step into a world where Scandinavian design meets the freedom of the open road, where every mile carries the signature of luxury, innovation, and unmatched engineering. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a moving masterpiece. A traveling sanctuary designed for those who refuse to compromise between elegance and adventure. Imagine standing before a motorhome sculpted with Volvo's signature minimalist lines, aerodynamic finesse, and a commanding road presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. The exterior alone speaks of quiet strength, with a bold grille, seamless LED lighting that stretches like a ribbon across the body, and a frame that balances size with grace. It is built not just to move, but to glide, cutting through highways and mountain passes with ease, and in every inch of its form lies the philosophy of Scandinavian harmony. Step inside, and you are welcomed into an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a vehicle. Volvo has poured its heart into creating an environment where warmth, natural light, and premium materials blend effortlessly. The cabin is filled with soft golden illumination, bouncing off polished Scandinavian wood accents and eco-friendly leathers sourced with care. A panoramic skylight runs nearly the full length of the ceiling, flooding the living space with sunlight during the day and offering a theater of stars at night. The living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, lounge, and sleeping quarters, with every detail thoughtfully designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. Every surface, every texture, every contour invites you to rest, relax, and breathe. The kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels, equipped with a full suite of smart appliances, from an induction cooktop to a built-in convection oven and a refrigerator designed with energy efficiency in mind. Countertops shimmer with a quartz-like finish, resistant to scratches and heat, while cabinets open with smooth hydraulic precision. With voice-controlled assistance, you can adjust lighting, set timers, or even control the entertainment system while preparing your meals. Volvo has ensured that the dining experience is as elegant as it is functional, with a fold-out dining space that transforms effortlessly, whether for a quick breakfast or a candlelit dinner on the road. Move toward the lounge, and you encounter plush seating that redefines relaxation. These are not ordinary seats, but ergonomic marvels, designed to adjust to your posture, your comfort, and even your mood. Integrated massage functions, heating, and cooling options are at your fingertips. A massive OLED display folds out gracefully, paired with a premium sound system engineered by Bowers & Wilkins, filling the room with immersive audio that makes movies, music, or even a quiet moment feel extraordinary. Here, the Volvo Motorhome doesn't just carry you forward, it cocoons you in a world of serenity. As night draws closer, the bedroom becomes a sanctuary of its own. A full-size bed, draped in memory foam and wrapped in organic cotton linens, offers deep, uninterrupted sleep. Ambient lighting shifts softly to match the rhythm of the evening, creating the perfect environment to rest after a day of exploring. Smart climate control adjusts quietly throughout the night, ensuring comfort without intrusion. And when you wake, you are greeted by views framed through expansive windows that blur the line between the outside world and the comfort within. The bathroom, too, is nothing short of remarkable. A rainfall shower system delivers spa-like rejuvenation, while the space-saving design incorporates a sleek vanity, heated mirrors, and storage that feels endless yet discreet. Volvo understands that comfort is found not just in grandeur, but in the details that make everyday living effortless. But what truly makes the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a marvel is not just the luxury, but the technology humming beneath its skin. Powered by a next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain, it offers both sustainability and strength. Silent electric cruising through city streets and powerful diesel assistance on long stretches of highway ensure efficiency and performance go hand in hand. The battery system recharges not only from the engine, but also through solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof, providing energy independence for longer adventures off the grid. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise, auto lane centering, and predictive terrain response, make driving a vehicle of this size remarkably smooth and safe. Volvo's legendary commitment to safety shines brighter than ever in this motorhome. Equipped with 360-degree cameras, blind spot detection, automated emergency braking, and an AI-assisted co-pilot system, the vehicle constantly watches, predicts, and reacts to keep you and your loved ones secure. This is a motorhome where peace of mind is as standard as the air you breathe. Storage solutions have also been reimagined. Hidden compartments, underfloor lockers, and modular shelving systems mean that every item has its place, leaving the living area uncluttered and serene. Outdoor adventurers will delight in the rear garage, like space, capable of storing bikes, gear, or even compact watercraft, ready to fuel spontaneous journeys. And when you step outside, the Volvo Motorhome continues to impress. A fully extendable awning unfurls to create a shaded patio, while an integrated outdoor kitchen and entertainment system make evenings under the open sky unforgettable. Whether you're parked by the beach, at the edge of a forest, or in the middle of a desert plain, the Volvo Motorhome transforms the outdoors into an extension of your living space. In every sense, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a symbol of freedom, elegance, and responsibility. It is a vessel that carries not just people, but their dreams, their adventures, and their quiet moments of reflection. It stands as proof that the future of travel is not about speed or distance alone, but about the quality of every mile, the beauty of every horizon, and the comfort of every pause. Volvo has not just built a motorhome, it has sculpted a lifestyle, a philosophy on wheels, where the journey is as luxurious and meaningful as the destination itself. So as you imagine yourself behind the wheel of this Scandinavian masterpiece, remember that the open road is no longer a path of uncertainty, but a canvas where you write your own story of freedom. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is here to ensure that every chapter of that story is filled with elegance, innovation, and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed this journey with Auto Elite, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible vehicles and innovations that redefine the future of travel.